You're not gonna believe how tasty these are. Making these macarons is not that difficult. And as always, I will leave the recipe down in the comments. I've been making these cookies with my kids for over 12 years and it's always a success. Sugar, some milk, powdered sugar, butter on room temperature, grated coconut, a few eggs, a vanilla pot and some chocolate. We will start by making the macarons. This is quite easy, not too many ingredients, just sugar, eggs, 1 yolk and grated coconut. First add the grated coconut. Then you want to add the sugar. Followed by the 3 eggs and the 1 yolk. Splitting the yolk from the egg white can be difficult. Just practice and you'll get good at it eventually. Now it's time to mix those ingredients. You know, the mixture is ready if you can squeeze it together and form a ball. Get your oven tray ready and place some baking paper on it. It's time to make our macarons. Just take a little bit of the mixture and form it into a ball. It's time for those macarons to go into the oven. While the macarons are in the oven, usually takes around 10-12 minutes to get golden brown. Just check them. But remember, once they get out of the oven, they are soft and brittle, so leave them alone. Oh, they're so nice and golden brown. Now that our macaroons are cooling down, we can start making our buttercream. Start by adding your butter, then the powdered sugar, a little bit of milk, and your vanilla. So here's how you get your vanilla pulp out of the pot. Cut it open, so you have 2 halves, and then scrape the marrow or the pulp out of it. It will stick to your knife. These vanilla pots you have left, don't throw them away. They will transform your normal sugar into beautiful vanilla sugar. Try it. With all the ingredients in the bowl, it's time to make our buttercream. Let's place it in the mixer. Our buttercream came together quite easily. Those macaroons really need to be cold, or at least room temperature before you add the buttercream. Look at that. Now that our macaroons are in the freezer, we can start making our chocolate bath. Once those macaroons are really cold, as soon as we dip them in the chocolate, they will solidify quicker. Place the bowl over it and melt your chocolate. Don't put all your chocolate in yet. 2/3 can be melted, 1/3 we will use to temper the chocolate. That's a fancy term for making it shine and hot. So the chocolate is melted. Our macarons or macaroons are ready. Try them for yourself and let me know what you think of them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!